the amount of water in each cup. So this cup has the least amount of water. This one is like halfway full. And this glass is almost to the top. Okay? So we're going to explore today and see if I tap the different glasses, and this is just a metal straw that came with my Yeti cup, do I hear different sounds or do they sound the same? So listen closely, and we know if it makes a high sound, it's a high what? Pitch. Good. I should hear you say high pitch. So if it makes a high sound, it's a high good pitch, and if it makes a low sound, it's a low pitch. Good. So high pitch or low pitch. So I want you listening and tell me what kind of sound you hear when I tap it, okay? Oh, that was loud. I should hear you say high pitch. Good. I heard you all the way from here. High pitch. Listen to this one. See if you hear a difference here. Alright, I still hear a high-ish sound, but this one sounds a little lower than this one did. This one seems like it's the highest pitch to me. Let's listen to the one that's full of water. Listen, I hear a really high-pitched sound from this one, whereas on this one, it's much lower, right? A low pitch. I want you to think about this for a minute. Why do you think I hear a higher pitch from this cup and a lower pitch from this cup? They're both the same cup. They're both made with glass. They both have water in them. My variable is the amount of water. This cup has more water. This cup has less water. So why do we think we hear a lower pitch with the cup with more water versus the cup with less water? I'm going to give you a minute. See if you think of that. If you were thinking that you hear a higher pitch in the cup with less water because there's more air in it, there's more space for vibrations to occur, and you know that sound travels with what? Sound travels with vibrations, that is correct. So you know that the higher pitch is going to be caused by the cup with the least amount of water because there's more room for more vibrations. Then you are absolutely correct. Way to go. Now, if my cups had the exact same amount of water in them, oh, I am making a mess. If my cups had the exact same amount of water in them, would they make different pitches or would they make the same pitch? All right? If they have the same amount of water in them, then they're going to make the same pitch because they're the exact same cups, the exact same amount of water in them, so the sound that I hear when I tap on them is the same pitch, okay? That may help you on your test. I would love for you all to take cups and water in your own house and explore this a little bit. I think the best way to learn sound, or the best way to learn science, is by exploration. So I really want to see you explore with this and see what you can come up with. Now, on the study guide, it does say, could you use something like this to make a device to communicate? Well, if you look on YouTube and you look up different You can even look up songs that are used with water and cups that you can ting the cups to make songs. I was watching one earlier that played Mary Had a Little Lamb, which is cups of water. I was thinking that I could ask my family questions, and I could think of it like having a code, right? And I could say, all right, if your answer to the question is yes, I want to hear a high-pitched sound. If your answer to the question is no, I want to hear a low-pitched sound. And I could say, Colt, do you love Paw Patrol? He does. He loves Paw Patrol. He's even got on his Paw Patrol pajamas. So when I say, Colt, do you love Paw Patrol? He says yes. He would hit the high pitch to answer yes. If I said, Colt, do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Yes.
If he likes pizza, he would hit, tell me yes, he likes pizza. If he didn't like pizza, he would say, no. But I know by hitting the high pitch that he likes pizza. And I could communicate that way with him. Is that nice?
No.
No, that wasn't nice. So we want to make sure that we are being creative, thinking outside the box, and see if we can come up with a way to communicate using our glasses. All right. Thanks for joining us today with Science with Mrs. F. Rizzle. Peace out. Say bye. Mr. Attitude, say bye.
No.
Don't be like Colt. Be nice.